What's really good, people? Welcome back. Stu's back at me. How you been? I got this 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300. This is a 2.0 liter engine. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. Alright, so come on, let's get it. Yeah. Shout outs to everybody in the building. I love you. Thank you for the support. No Diddy. Alright, this baby has 83,000 miles. Alright, this is how you open the hood. Come down over here. This is for all the Mercedes. Has this red lever. Pull it like that. That's how you open the hood. You come down over here. Here's the lever right here. Right below the emblem. Alright. Now you don't need to hold it. It has two pistons. Alright. Okay. This is the engine. Oil cap, and the filter is right there. Okay. Here, and the oil cap. Nice. Put this to the side. Okay. Let me break it down for you. It's 11 dead leaves here. Spring is coming, by the way. Alright. Coolant tank. Windshield fluid reservoir on the driver's side. This is a brake reservoir. Pretty much. You know what I like to do. I like to remove the oil filter. Not all the way though. Open it so the oil drop. Okay, in this case what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this clip so we can remove this intake. Lysol. Then from here, try it like that. Lift it like that. There you go. Now you can reach better the oil filter. This one is going to be 27 millimeter. Alright. Now turn it counterclockwise to remove it, to open the the oil filter cap. This hose is going to be on the way. You just push it to the side. I'm not going to pull it out all the way though, right there. Just like that. I like to leave it like that so the oil drains. Alright, let's go to the bottom. Alright, 13 for this one. How you see the oil? What you think? Put in the comment box. Let me know what you think. Will you go another 1,000 miles with this? I didn't mention you have to remove that cover. Okay. I didn't say it before because I'm working on the axle. There's another video for that, how to do that on this 2019 Benz C300. There's like a 4 bolts 8mm there, 4 8mm there. Alright, once you're done draining it, pulse, put the 13mm with the washer back, tight as nugget. Alright, Mercedes-Benz 2019 C300. Double muffler, EPV. double resonator, transmission, front brakes, suspension, where's the rear suspension? Pretty much it. Now here's when I pull out this guy. Like so. So we're gonna replace this O-ring, this O-ring, this O-ring, this one right here. This is the new oil filter HU711/6Z. Comes with the O-rings, cartridge. Just put it in the same way you remove it. Put some grease on the threads, on the O-rings, then put it back. And tight it. Over here says the torque specification, 25 plus 5 Newton meter. Clockwise to tight it. Tight it and snug it. Just like that. I pour the oil. This one's gonna take 6.3 quarts or 6 liters. Rather, put a funnel over there. Pour the new oil. 6.3 quarts or 6 liters. 0 W20 full synthetic oil. Done. Put the oil cap back. Put this guy back. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. This part first. Like so. Like this one. Push it in. Don't forget this guy here. The clip. Pretty much. Now you're done with this. Make sure. Which Alright, how to reset the oil life in this 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300. Everything is off, right? Let's make sure everything is off. Press this once. Make sure it's on trip, okay? Then you're gonna press this guy and this guy at the same time. Then do this, press it once. You're gonna see that. Now let it go. Now you can scroll down with this. Go to Essence Plus. Click on it. Switch on. Press it again. You see that this message with this. Scroll down. Click. No. Scroll down. Click. Scroll down. Nah. Pick the first one. Click. Yes. Confirm. Full service carry out. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby, alright? And that's it, guys. Hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. It's me, Stu, Kaboom. Shout outs to everybody. Love you. Where would I be without you? No Diddy. And you can catch me on the next one. Alright? Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Yeah, Stu. Broom. Yeah.